I want to escape from the noise and stress of the city. I want to unwind. I want to feel rejuvenated. Welcome to Fazlani Natures Nest, or shall we call it Nature's Wellness? A luxurious spa and health resort in the midst of nature. Just 2 hours away from Mumbai and another world. At the heart of this scenic resort is the Wellness Center, designed to nurture body, mind, and spirit. Within the tranquility of the center, a team of professionals provide dedicated care. A tailor-made schedule is set up for each guest. What makes this experience special is the combination of age-old therapies and rituals with modern spa techniques. A series of holistic treatments leaves you feeling totally renewed and refreshed. The Wellness Center has a fully equipped gym and also holds physiotherapy sessions. Within the gardens of heady herbs and aromas, the village, it offers authentic therapies for healing and revitalizing nature's way. The best of Ayurvedic and naturopathy therapies for the ultimate spa experience. And an invigorating dip in the swimming pool will make you feel like a new person. Equine therapy involves close interactions with horses and promotes a sense of well-being and self-confidence. Wellness is also on the menu, with delicious spa cuisine made from the freshest ingredients that go straight from farm to table. Fazlani Natures Nest balances wellness, relaxation, and leisure. A haven for renewal and rejuvenation. Approved by nature. Fazlani Natures Nest. Retreat to nature.